Guys, welcome back. I am so excited to make this video. So we are now going to be proper car YouTubers. And I know the lighting in this video is a little bit weird because I'm not normally making these office type videos, but I want to do a quick unboxing because I got new camera equipment and I'm so excited to use it. So let me show you what we got. Here we go. We got a GoPro finally. So we finally invested in getting a GoPro to make it a lot easier to film videos. Because typically what I do now is I kind of mount my phone on a phone holder in my car. And it's a little odd to use. And it kind of sucks because I can't actually look at my phone. There's a lot of issues with it, but it works. But it was time to kind of make an investment. We got this first, so I'm excited about that. We also got this. We got this media mod. Let's open this. Here we go. Oh, this is the front. So we got a media mod. So basically what this does is this goes, if you're not familiar with GoPros, it hooks around the GoPro and it allows you to connect different things to it. You have an attachment at the top. Over on this side, on the bottom is just a normal GoPro mount. And I don't think there's anything on the other side because I think that's just to be able to plug in your normal cables. I'm very excited to be able to use this. That's another thing we got. Next, let me actually move these to the other side so we have better lighting over here. We have an external microphone. When I record my videos, 90% of the time, I just use my iPhone's normal microphone that's in the camera. I do also have a lavalier mic. So right here, I do have a lav mic. The issue that I have with the lav mic is it works great for, say, videos like this. And right now I'm just recording on my iPhone. It does work really great for recording videos like this. But the issue that I have with the lav mic and using the iPhone is when you're recording car videos, what will happen is as you rev the car up and kind of drive, it'll kind of treat that as background noise and it'll try to cut it out and your whole sound clip will just be choppy and it'll just be destroyed and unusable. And it's not a feature that you can turn off on the newer iPhones, unfortunately. So I do need an external way of recording sound. So this kind of works out really well. So I have a lav mic to be able to use with the GoPro now for whatever I do. And I have just a normal mic, a little shotgun mic. So really excited about this one. I don't know how much of a difference it's going to make with my voice, but nonetheless, I am really excited to try this out. So we're going to be trying this out, seeing what the difference is, seeing what kind of car sounds we can record inside, because typically you have to really rev the car out to get really any sounds on the iPhone. And I'm hoping this will be a little bit better, so I don't have to constantly ring the engine out every single time I want to get a little bit of noise on camera. Not that that's a bad thing, but still, excited to try this. Now, here is another big package. Let me take all this other stuff off the table. So, with this one, the knife is dull, so I'm just going to kind of rip everything apart. Here we go. An unlabeled mystery box. So this I'm really excited about. Essentially, I have a whole 30-piece accessory kit. So I have different types of mounts that I'm really excited to use. I have the little attachment points. I have the little holder, which looks like plastic cheap garbage. So I'm going to probably get a new one at some point anyway. The mount. This is perfect. I'm going to be using this in the M2 in a little bit. And yeah, just some really cool stuff in here. There is one that I'm really excited to use. It's like a clip. Here it is. It's this one right here. It's a clip that you attach. You can attach it onto a lot of things, but I want to be able to attach it onto my hat to be able to get really nice POV shots as I'm driving. So I'm really excited about this one. And yeah, I'm not going to currently for this video open all this up and go over every single little bit I have because that's just not the video that I'm trying to make. I just want to do a quick unboxing, even though it's already going on a couple minutes. I want to do a quick unboxing, just kind of show, look at the cool stuff I have. I'm really excited about it. Let me do a quick opening of the GoPro. So let me put this back down. And here's the GoPro. Let's open her up. Man, I am really excited. So I was initially in the market for a Hero 8, but the issue I had with the Hero 8 at this point in time was just finding them in the market is just kind of a pain. You can't really find them on Amazon anymore. Best Buy doesn't sell them. The only place you could really find them is used either on eBay or through Amazon. And I don't want to use GoPro because, well, you never know with GoPros. They could be thrown around, dropped. I just don't want to risk that. So I ended up saying, you know what, for the price increase, let me just get the 10. I didn't really want the 11 or the 12. There's a too new, too expensive. This is kind of a good middle ground. So, wow, it's a lot heavier than I thought. Let's take this little paper off. I'm just not having any luck today with packaging. Ooh, it feels nice though, real nice. Like, it is heavy, but it's got like a nice weight to it, you know? There are the little clips. Nice. All right, well, I'm going to work on kind of getting this set up, making sure the battery's charged, all that stuff. I'm not going to drag this part out too much longer. I'm going to get this kind of set up, ready to go, and I will see you inside the car with our new setup. Check that out. Look at that. It's like Inception. Our new GoPro setup. I'm so excited. It's recording me. I'm recording it. Really cool. So excited. Hello, what's going on? So this is test number 3. I was having issues getting the microphone to work on this thing, the external mic. I guess there's a little glitch with how you plug it in. Either that or I'm just using the wrong cables because I'm still trying to learn the difference between like the TRS and the TRRS cables and all that fun stuff. But by the looks of it, I think I got it now. So I'm so excited. We are recording our first video on the GoPro, our third video on the GoPro. Our first video on the GoPro. This is, it's pretty cool. My car has now been warmed up after attempt number 3, so I can actually try to record some engine and see kind of how that goes. So let's, oh, this isn't really a great area either, but let's see. Alright, I have no idea how that recorded. I hope that picked up on the camera. Like I said, this video is mostly going to be just a big test of just how this GoPro works. So I have no idea. I've tried a few different cameras in the past, mostly one camera that I had. My grandpa gave me this like off-brand one. He got it like a tag sale or something. Cool camera, cool concept, really liked it. The only issue was it recorded in 720? What's the next step down from 1080? I think it's 720. I don't even know now. That's how far we've come in technology. Now this thing I guess can record in like 5K or something. Like what the hell even is 5K? Like I'm still, I still think 4K is like incredible. I hope those sounds pick up on the camera. I really hope that this setup works. Basically, the things I want to test is I want to pretty much test this setup. So as you saw, I pretty much have the GoPro kind of mounted with the external mic. So that's kind of going to be my core main setup, and I'm going to use that on like tripods and like all different things. But I'm hoping it's going to be the main setup. With this, I also have that lav mic that you saw. So I'm going to test the lav mic with the GoPro to see if I can get some better shots of like talking for like different talking videos, and I don't know, we'll just see how that goes. A lot of testing, and my battery is at like, I don't know, it looks like it's probably at like 10% on this thing, so it's going to die at any minute. It's not a long video, and I was hoping to test a few more things in this video. Maybe I'll record some more tomorrow, kind of a longer drawn out video, but nonetheless, I think this is a very important kind of video. I think it's a very cool video. Like, I know the channel's kind of about my car journey, and part of that car journey is being able to record that journey. And I think it's a really cool video to be able to record all my new kind of mic setups. Whoa. Little bridge there. But yeah, I think it's really cool to be able to record all my like different experiences and like just whatever, right? I figured I wasn't sure how I was going to do this video, if I was even going to do it. You know, like, do I just record stuff and kind of do a lot of the testing off camera? And I'm like, no, if I can make a little bit of content just testing it out, you never know. Maybe someone watching is like, oh, maybe one day I want to start a YouTube. You know, let me see what he did, what worked, what didn't work. Maybe that helps someone out, you know? But overall, I am really excited. One of the reasons I really wanted to get into it now was because in a couple months, in June, I'm going to be going up to Canada, to Montreal with my girlfriend, and we're actually going to be watching the Formula 1 Grand Prix. That's really exciting. I am not 100% sure, but I'm 90% sure I'm going to end up taking the M2 because, I mean, let's be honest, it's a cool road trip out of the country. So why not take the M2? I'm literally going to see cars racing. Why not take the M2? All the content that can be made, like, it's literally perfect for the M2. That I'm really excited for. That should be coming in May or June. And yeah, I really want to get everything kind of dialed in, make sure that I have everything kind of set up, make sure I have all the proper SD cards, make sure I know how to have everything formatted, and really just do a lot of testing and make sure there are no hiccups for the actual trip. For now, that's going to be it. I don't know if I'm going to continue this video from another perspective or not. If not, thank you so much for watching this video. Leave it a like if you kind of like me playing around with my sounds and appreciate the fact that this is like attempt number 3 or 4 at trying to do some recording. Subscribe if you want to see more videos on the new GoPro. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.